Hello there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a C program that will ask the user to give a string, and then our program will determine and check whether the given string is a palindrome or not a palindrome using C programming language. A palindrome, we can call a string or a word palindrome if we read or write the given word, and then when we read it forward and backward, the spelling and pronunciation of that particular word is the same. A good example of palindrome is the word radar. Radar is a device that used to detect objects, flying objects, just like planes. It is used for self-defense, military defense. Another example is the word Ana. Ana, if we read it forward, it is the same in backward, Ana, A-N-A. So before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. In this sample program, I'm using Dev C++ 4.9 as our IDE, and then our compiler we are working with. Now, we start with the command sharp include stdio.h. Stdio in C programming stands for Standard Input Output Header File. This header file is also known as a library file used primarily for input-output manipulation in our C programs. Next, we have your sharp include string .h. So next, int main. The starting point of our program execution, and then here I declare two variables. Let's say for example A, and then we have a size of 200 comma B, and then the character size is also 200 characters. After which I will declare the title of spacing two backslash semicolon, printf for output \t horizontal tab string palindrome in C. This will be the title of our program. We copy this one and then paste. Now the next portion of our code, we will ask the user to give a string \t give a string. We have here colon, double quotation, and then we are using gets or get string A. We are using the library file for string.h to use this command, str copy B and A, and then str rev or reverse B. Okay, so copy again if strcmp compare A comma B equals 0, begin printf the given string %s is a palindrome. Okay, close, else begin, copy and paste, is not a palindrome. Now take a closer look. Double quotation, comma, a, double quotation, comma, a, dot, dot, print f. Print f \t end of program. Okay, before we test our program or save our work, the first thing that I will do is to discuss the things that transpire in our program. Here we have here two library file for input output in string manipulation. In this portion of our code, we are declaring two variables, character A, which has a size of 200 characters, and variable B that has also 200 characters. And then here we have here the title of our program, string palindrome in C, and then we have here give a string, asking the user to give a string, and then we have here the command gets, asking the user to get the given string value that will be stored in our variable A. And then we have here a series of string manipulation commands, strcpy, meaning copy, and then reverse. Now we have here conditional statement, if else. The first portion of our code check whether the A and B, comparing the string, if variable B is being reversed in order and variable A equals 0, it means they are equal, then we declare this message, the given string is a palindrome. If the given word reading forward and backward is the same, it is a palindrome, it is true. Else, if it is not, then the second statement else will be displayed on the screen, telling the user that the given string is not a palindrome, and then new line, and then a message end of program that tells the user that the program is already done executing in back to your operating system. Now the next step that I will do is to save our code. In Div C++, we can simply issue this command, Ctrl S, and then right click, new, we create a folder, string palindrome. This will be the title of our folder. Double click, and then here palindrome.c. Guys, always specify the extension C, and then click the save button. Now here we can compile, and then just wait. There is no syntax error, so it's easier for us to run the code. Okay, there is a spacing that I would like to correct. So compile and run, or press F9. So the first word that I want to check whether it is a palindrome or not is, our example is radar. Okay, it exits. So I'm using this command, system. Okay. I will include another library file, stdlib.h, standard library. If we want to see the output, save, F9. Okay, radar. Okay, we have the right result. The given string radar is a palindrome. Another example, F9, Anna. The given string Anna is a palindrome. Press any key. So this one, you can attach this one. F9 again. By this example, I will give a word that is not a palindrome. Let's say for example car. Car is not a palindrome. Another example, press F9. Rat. Rat is not a palindrome. F9. Tet. The given string tet is a palindrome. Okay, so another example for the last time. Radar. Okay guys, we have already done writing a program that will ask the user to give a word, and then our program will check whether the given word or a string is a palindrome or not using C programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this video tutorial, string manipulation in C language. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much to our new subscriber and followers and current subscriber to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Gradually, we are increasing in terms of numbers. Even though it is very slow, but I'm not discouraged with that. My main objective of creating this video tutorial is to spread the love of learning about computer programming. It is secondary only to earn money from my YouTube videos. It is more for myself as a passion, being a teacher here in the Philippines and a software engineer before working in an IT multinational IT company and a freelance programmer or software developer. I love to teach people. I love to share my ideas to other people because I believe learning is a continuous process. The only time that we stop learning when we are already dead or rest in peace 6 feet below the ground. As long that we are live in this world in open for learning, there are many things that we can learn to improve our daily lives and also to inspire other people or encourage them to learn also. That's my main objective in creating this kind of video tutorials, blogs in my website. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.